Hey, quarto ano, how are you doing? Are you fine? Okay, so as I always say, I'm making this video, preparing this video for you. If you want to do the activities before our encontro marcado, or you can't participate there, so you have the video here. For these reasons, I'm preparing this video, okay? So let me introduce you. Let me tell you about our new unit. That's unit 3. Okay, so before talking about the unit 3, let me show you some cards. Okay, no books still yet, so let's get here. All right, so I want you repeat there in your house. Okay, so look, day and night. Okay, we have a picture that shows clearly the day and the night. All right, so day and night. Look at this picture. This picture is aging. We can see that there the woman's stage. She's young, she's middle aged, and now she's old. Okay, she's a lady, man, girl, a woman. See, so we talk this about aging. This is about schedule. Okay, so look at here, schedule. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We call this schedule what we do during these days, okay, the days of the week. All right, so we call schedule. We have here the sand glass or hourglass, okay. We don't use this anymore, only for decorating something. But this is, remember this? The past they used to check the time. All right, so we call this sand glass or hourglass. See, sand glass or hourglass. Look at these. These are the seasons. Okay, we have summer. I think this is spring, autumn, and winter. So the first seasons in the year são as 4 estações. Okay, seasons, the 4 seasons. This is the birthday, when you know, every year you're getting older and older, so the birthday. And that's it. I don't want to show this right now. I just want to show you this one. So birthday, the 4 seasons, sand glass or hourglass, schedule, aging, okay, aging, and day and night, day and night. Sorry for that. Okay, so I showed you these 4 pictures, and in your opinion, what do they represent? All these pictures represent one thing. Do you know what do they represent? Do you know what they represent? Sorry. Do you know? Oh, they represent the time. Yes. See, day and night. It's about time. All right. The aging. It's about time. The schedule. The days of the week. It's about time. The sand glass. Time. Birthday. Time. The 4 seasons. Time. So in this unit, we are going to talk about time. Okay? If I ask you, what is time for you? Do you have a definition for time? Teacher, the time we see the days passing, we are getting older. Teacher, it's too difficult for a definition. I think it's very difficult to give a definition for time. But yes, and because it depends on the person. For example, for me, the time goes very fast, passes very fast. No, the time, in my opinion, passes very slow. So it depends on people's opinion to give you a definition. Okay, all right. So now I want you to get your student's book, and we're going to talk a little bit about time. Okay, and I'm gonna ask you some questions, and you think there about these questions. Okay, if you are at encontro marcado, you can answer there. So wait a minute, look at this, on time. So in this unit, page 58 and 59, guys, let me make it bigger. So we are going to explore the concept of time. We are going to talk about activities that we do in our daily lives, review the days of the week. Okay, we are going to do this. We are going to talk about daily routines. We are going to read about the daily lives of the ancient Greeks, the people in the past in Greece. Tell the time on an analog clock, make a sundial, and create a story about time traveling. See, this unit is very interesting, like the others, right? Okay, so okay, so I asked you about these pictures. Remember, in your the picture cards I showed you, and they ask you, describe the pictures. What do you see? So we see all these pictures represent time. I have a question for you. I have a question now. I want you to do something, ok? Follow what I want you to do. É para vocês seguirem o que a teacher quer que vocês façam. How does time feel if you have to read a book you don't like for 1 hour? Okay. Do you think the time feels fast or slow when you read a book that you don't like for 1 hour? Do you think the time is passing slow, is going slow or fast? What do you think? But how does time feel if you sleep for only 2 hours at night? For example, you only have to choose, let me explain better. You have to sleep only for 2 hours at night. How does time feel? Como é que o tempo passa? Fast or slow? And how does time feel if I ask you not to speak for 5 minutes? For example, be quiet for 5 minutes, no words. How does time feel? Fast or slow? Right? Yeah, it's hard, right? So think about that. What I want you to do on page, I didn't find a definition about time for you. Okay, so what I want, they give you an idea here that is the main points are that we in our world, our planet change with time. So that's why we have day and night, we have the aging, we have the seasons, and that human created different ways of keeping track of time. How do we know it's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on? We created that, okay? Like schedule, birthdays. So that's why we know how old we are. A gente sabe a idade da gente porque a gente criou isso. A gente sabe a hora no relógio porque nós criamos isso. Os dias da semana também. É uma forma da gente conseguir marcar o tempo. And é isso aí, ok? E é igual a Titia falou, isso depende muito como definir o tempo, porque tem gente que fala assim, o tempo voa, né? O tempo passa muito rápido. Não, o tempo vai muito devagar. Depende muito da opinião da pessoa e de algumas atividades. E é isso que eu quero que vocês façam na página 61, tá? Na 60 a gente viu essas figuras que a Titia mostrou lá no Picture Cards. Na página 61, vocês têm algumas atividades aqui. Hugging someone, doing homework, playing video games, waiting in line, look at the line, sitting in nature, running fast, enjoy your holiday, and waking up. What I want you to do is, how does time feel when you're doing these things? So what I want you to do, I want you to think, if you do these things in your opinion, does time feel fast or does time feel slow? Very slow. So what do you think? Okay? And what I want you to do, I want you to write. Eu quero que vocês escrevam as atividades que vocês acham, na sua opinião, não tem respostas erradas, certas ou erradas, é a sua opinião. Então, as respostas, as atividades que vocês acham que passam rápido, vocês vão escrever fast, tá? E as atividades que vocês acham que estão passando devagar, que você acha que passa devagar, eu quero que vocês escrevam slow. Entenderam? Eu acho que quando hugging someone, eu acho que o tempo passa assim, ó. Eu acho que quando I'm doing homework, the time feels very slow. Playing video games, fast. Vamos supor que a mamãe fala assim, ó, 1 hour. Parece que jogou só 5 minutos. Quando você tá fazendo exercício, a mamãe fala assim, ó, 2 horas fazendo exercício. Parece que tá uma eternidade lá. Entenderam? Então, como é que vocês acham que o tempo passa nessas situações? E aí vocês vão escrever fast, se vocês acham que passam rápido, slow, se vocês acham que passam devagar, ok? E essa é a atividade de hoje, tá? Que a teacher quer que vocês façam. No encontro marcado, é claro que a teacher vai ouvir mais a opinião de vocês, a teacher vai fazer uma experiência, não uma experiência facinho, só com vocês mesmos, vocês são minhas cobaias, tá? E aí depois a gente vai fazer essa atividade. Então, assim, faça uma forcinha para vir assistir com a teacher, tá bom? Encontro marcado. Eu sei que é bem cedo, mas é bem legal, tá bom? Deixa a teacher só sair daqui, me dar um beijinho assim, ó. Bye, bye, guys. See you.